The first time I met them is in our showroom. They came about 8 o'clock something. The mom and the son, they got impressed with our walk-in wardrobe. They liked the urban chic concept, the darker tone and Nasha stone. At the same time, they wanted to display their crystals. The only changes we have done is taking out the copper one, and then the wall unit, we have changed everything to a glass doors compared to the one in our showroom or even HQ, so that they can display the crystal stones. As a designer, once we have done the 3D and when it comes to realistic, you feel very satisfied. Even I feel more satisfied more than the customer, because it's like your product from a 3D becomes reality, very happy to see that. And the customers happy with the finishing as well. For the dressing table area, we actually used Maxima door and also live oak color. So when you're out of your bathroom, you can see a dressing table there, like a mirror, and some storage for dressings and for their daily usage clothing. What makes them to like the Maxima wardrobe is because handleless. That was the first thing they like. It was handleless, and it was something new in HQ as well. In Signature, and the customer was like, "Oh, it's a new product. Why not we try to use that?" And it's handleless. All our other wardrobes are using handles, or not. We use K-push, so they wanted to have this handleless. They came in to our IPC showroom. And first thing they was interested to lock is actually the walk-in wardrobe, the glass door, using gold trim with a bronze finish. Then we have used Mystic Elm for the bed head and also the dressing table. The end product is what they wanted. So we have fulfilled what they wanted actually.